Here's the ICOM 7300, and I'm feeding the amplifier on AM, so RF's at about 71% on AM, which doesn't really amount to much. But anyway, so here's the amplifier turned on finally. There's 3 811 tubes in there. The fourth tube is dead and pulled out. It was shorted. The plate voltage was shorted out, so that tube is out. I'm waiting for one more of these to come. Anyway, on 3 tubes here, and I'm putting out about into my antenna maybe like 15 watts or something. So when I crank the amp on, I get over 200 out, probably 200. Let's crank the amp on here. Damn it. Okay, amp is keyed. Yep, there's about 200 watts out. Not much plate current, which is good. And the voltage goes down a little bit, but not too bad. So, finally got a running amplifier here for AM work and sideband. I'm not sure what tune is for, really. It goes down on that one. All right, that's my demo of the Collins 3001 that I've been fixing for a few days. Got 3 811 tubes in there. It's chugging along on 40 meters. So much for that. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Yep, there's my about 200 watts. And if I unkey it, driving at about 20 watts. That's pretty good. It's a 10x increase. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.